Naturally, after looking into all the aspects we studied in this course, one has to ask, is it too late? Have we already reached a tipping point like the tipping point that triggered the Great Dying? It appears that this is not a very easy question to answer. The issue with climate change is that it pushes the environment into one that is different than what our biological features are adapted to. This includes us as humans, in addition to all other life forms. Many of the different life forms we have can resist changes in our environment. This is with exception to the major changes that could happen if we cross natural tipping points. However, there is an inherited problem with the concept of tipping point, which is this. According to climatologist Michael Mann, tipping points are difficult to define. They exist, but we don't know for sure. This is a huge issue. Most of the time, we can identify tipping points after they happened, and we are looking into the past. But that's not good enough. This means our predictions of tipping points cannot be certain. A 2008 paper titled Target Atmospheric CO2, Where Should Humanity Aim?, proposed a CO2 concentration of 350 parts per million as our cap to keep our world safe. Today, we already passed that limit as the current CO2 concentration is about 400 parts per million. In December 2015, the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change had 195 nations agreeing to keep the temperature rise below 2 degrees Celsius. In another word, they are considering 2 degrees Celsius from pre-industrial levels as a major tipping point. So far, temperatures have increased by 0.8 Celsius from pre-industrial levels. So, what will take us as humans to cap the climate change we are causing? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments.